Hi, thank you once again for being here. In this tutorial, we are going to create access levels inside your Knowledge Hub. First things first, what are access levels? Access levels are the different groups inside your membership hub. It allows you to control who gets access to specific content or information. We recommend considering the following access levels to make this work for you. The first obvious choice is a free access level. This is perfect for inviting new members to get a sneak peek into your hub. Next, you'll want to have paid membership access levels. These are access levels that allow you to sell access to premium content. To create a paid access level, your payment settings must be activated. I'll add a link to our payment activation process in the video description so you can easily set it up. Also, we recommend an admin access level. So this is an access that can be used by your team to check through your demo account. That way, you can refine your content before even sharing it with your members or your audience. So now let's create our access levels. First, log into your admin account at partner.wisdome.site. Then from your sidebar menu, click Memberships. Next, select Add New Plan. The first access level that we will create is a free access level. Okay, so what we need to do is just to complete all of the details here. So we need the name of the access level, a short description, a thumbnail image. This is optional, but it's good to have some visuals if you like. The type of access level, and of course, it will ask if it's a paid or free access level. In this case, it's a free access level. So let's just add our details. It's going to be a public access level, and this is a free access level. Okay, then click Save and Next. Okay, so here we have to add our success message. So this is the message that your members will receive that is after signing up for this access level. All right, and then once you're ready, click Save. Perfect. We have successfully created our free access level. This time around, we are going to create a paid membership access level. So the same thing, make sure we are on the memberships tab from the sidebar menu, and then go to add a new plan. Just add our details here. This is going to be a public access level, and it's a paid access level. All right, click Save and Next. Okay, and as you can see, this is where we add our pricing details. We have the option to do a monthly pricing, annual, and also a one-time pricing offer. Other than our default currency, which is AUD or Australian dollars, we have an option for other currencies. This is because we have already activated the multi-payment function on this account. We do have a separate tutorial for it. You'll find it in the video description. Let's go ahead and add our prices. Let's click Save and Next. All right, and we're ready to add our success message. This message will go out to your members after successfully signing up for your access level. Right, we click Save. And there you have it. We have successfully created a paid access level. To share the access level, click on the menu option here, and then select Share. And we have to share the checkout URL. So depending on what type of plan you'd like to share, please select the plan from the drop-down menu before copying the checkout URL. so that you have the right link. So, okay, so let's say we want to share the one-time payment option for this access level. So we just change it to one time from this drop-down menu, click copy. And if we look at the checkout URL, all right. So these are the details of our URL of our checkout URL. You can see that it's a one-time payment. There's also an option to pay in different currencies, as you can see from this drop-down menu right here. All right. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you can create access levels inside your Knowledge Hub. Once again, if you have questions, feel free to let us know at userhelp@wisdome.com.au, or you can also leave comments in the comments section. Thank you again for being here, and we'll see you again next time.